Okay, this little girl wants to start picking our raffle prizes. Okay, let's just have her hold on to that. This is for unboxing 230 part
2.
Part 2. All right, let's begin. Okay, Rocket, this is gonna be for Michael Jones.
Well, I think it's
You gotta put that back, Zuli, and pick a new one because we need to go in order. Okay? Which one is it?
I think it's just a shell bracelet.
Here, let me help you.
Shell necklace.
Shell necklace for Michael Jones. All right, go ahead, Zuli. Your turn.
A hat.
Yeah, it's a hat. Zuli, did you pick one? Oh, she did pick one already. This one is gonna be for Angus Lee. Which one is it? It's a ball pen. Yay, let's show it.
Wooden ball pen.
Ball pen.
Oh, I
All
thought
right,
it
here.
was a wooden.
Kuya's gonna pick next, okay? Share the task. All right, go ahead, Kuya.
I got another long.
Rocket's picking
Shell
one for
bracelet.
Kelly.
Necklace. Shell
Kelly Head.
necklace.
All right, this one is for Kelly Head. All right, next one Zuli's gonna pick. Go ahead, Zuzu. Choose one for Sylvia. Sylvia Cardinal. All right, let's give this to Kuya. Ooh, let's show it. What does Sylvia get? Sylvia gets a puka shell bracelet. All right, Rocket now is picking for Jenna.
Shell necklace.
Jenna Mata gets a shell necklace. Yay. And we've got Zuli's turn now to pick for Allison. Allison Soto.
Ready? The necklace.
All right, go ahead, Zuzu. Okay. And Rocket's gonna pick the last one for Debra Scott. For Zuli first, for Allison Soto. Let's show it. Let's show it. So Allison gets a shell necklace.
And a shell necklace.
And that one is for Debra Scott. All right, thanks guys for helping. Let's tape that on here. Okay, what is the website, Rocket?
DIYmoon shop.
.com. You gotta type in the .com. Oh. Okay, here you can pretend to draw more prizes. Okay, so remember, if you have any questions, guys, you can just send us a message via email at DIYmoonshop@gmail.com. We also have a Facebook page. It's simply DIYmoon Shop. And if you'd like to follow us on Instagram, it's at Shop DIYmoon. All right, let's go on ahead and get these items and show it to them.
Yeah, I forget about it.
Okay. Okay. That was chaotic. All right, we've got for Michael Jones, the shell necklace is Rocket. I thought you were gonna wear it because it's gonna get tangled, Rocket. Okay. So we've got a shell necklace for Michael Jones. I know. So this is the shell necklace. And then for Angus Lee, we've got the ball pen. Where's the ball pen, Rocket? Yeah, it's pretty. And here is your ball pen. It says DIYmoon Shop. And this was carved right on the island of Boracay. And then we've got Kelly Head's shell necklace, another shell necklace. And then for Sylvia Cardinal, the puka shell bracelet. Here's the bracelet. And then Jenna Mata's got a shell necklace as well. Here it is. Yes, Zuli. Oh yeah, but we didn't get to pick these out for the souvenir. And then for Allison Soto, she's got the shell necklace as well. And lastly, we've got Debra Scott. She's got the shell necklace. And that is this one. It's actually a set. Alright, so I'm going to go on ahead and pack up because this little girl is cranky today. Is a cranky butt. Cranky butt. What do you want, the box? But we're done. We'll do this again tomorrow. Okay? Good girl? Are you a good girl? Julie? Why don't you show everybody your flowers? Look. Flowers. Okay, I'm gonna get to packing. She wants to pick more souvenirs. Okay, we gotta put this back in the box. Yeah, Kuya's disappearing. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Say bye, Zuli.
Bye.
Bye. Disappear, disappear. Yeah, Kuya's here. Kuya's just hiding under the table. Alright, I'm gonna go and get started on the unboxing, guys. Tremblay, we now add lime pearls to outline the dragonfly, and this will make the dragonfly stand out. We also sprinkle electric diamonds in the middle of the sunflower to give this an added bling. Tremblay, we now add lime pearls to outline the dragonfly, and this will make the dragonfly stand out. We also sprinkle electric diamonds in the middle of the sunflower to give this an added bling. There are many ways that you can conduct your special treatment on this DJYmoon painting called Butterfly Nebula, size 60 by 82 cm rounds, using the free titanium crystals that came with a promo upon release of this design. And in this version, we have placed it in the purple areas on the painting, so mainly that halo or that circle around her. And we also have it on the flower on her hair, that circle on her forehead, as well as these dots forming a grid. From the Sea by Cathy DeLancey. Free version 3 special treatment as part of the promo. We have electric diamonds on her dress that have been sprinkled. Aside from that, we also have electric diamonds for the shell that she's holding up to her ear. And we also have prism pearls that are sprinkled in the night sky. Those are the black beads we see. And finally, we have auburn crystals that are sprinkled in the orange areas in the scenery. Yumi 50 by 66 cm special treatment version 3. We now add lightning diamonds and place it on the mask that she's holding. So simply fill in as much as you can of the mask with the lightning diamonds that you're given. You don't have to fill the entire area with the lightning diamonds, but just give it enough so that you have this same effect. Version 3, which includes sapphire crystals sprinkled in the background. So simply place your sapphire crystals in the dark blue areas. And we also add more electric diamonds for the star right above her hand. We also place more electric diamonds on the circles of light around her collarbone. Princess Bunny by Sybil Art in 30 by 40 cm rounds, version 3 special treatment, now adds morganite crystals that we have sprinkled on the tutu of the bunny that Princess Bunny is holding. And so that gives it a nice royal glitter for Princess Bunny. And this is for version 3. And for the final version, version 3, we now have added Alexandrite to July by Anikdote for the special treatment. And these are placed and sprinkled on the dark blue areas on the painting. So this will just give a nice glitter throughout the entire picture. Kimono by D.NZ.L in size 40 by 115 rounds, version 1. We start with prism pearls sprinkled in the black areas of her dress. So this special treatment is pretty much the same as the one for the smaller size of kimono in 30 by 85. The only difference is we will have more of these special beads to cover the areas of the painting. But it will be using the same ones, which are prism, old gold, and the flower gems. For version 2 of Kimono by D.NZ.L in 40 by 115 cm rounds, we now add old gold crystals or old gold diamonds that are used to fill in the middle of the biggest flowers. That one in her hair, that's old gold. And then we also have another one here in the bottom. A few others right over here. So instead of using the normal beads that you get for the middle of these big flowers, use the old gold diamonds instead. Mono 40 by 115 cm rounds, version 3, now adds flower gems. These are the flower gems that will be placed on the specific yellow flowers in D.NZ.L's painting. So if we move this aside, you will see that it would have the shading of a flower, which we would no longer need because we are replacing that flat image into an actual flower. So it does not need all those colors as it already has the dimension of an actual flower gem. So simply use the black beads that you have, the same for M, so that it makes the flower stand out. Don't follow these codes X and this code any longer. Simply replace this entire thing with an actual flower gem and then surround it in black to make it really pop and stand out.
could stay like this, forever following you. Just don't get too far, and I'll be right where you are. You're a dream that I could finally see. I just want us to always be, to always be. Let's stay here, let's stay here in love. Let's stay here, let's stay here in love.
Hey everyone, this is Reggie and I'm here because we have a new Diamond VIP and I wanted to congratulate Debra Scott. Debra, you are our newest Diamond VIP. Congratulations. What are you getting? You are getting this, our Prism purse, and we have a new design and this was chosen at random. Here you go. Let us pack it up and afterwards we got a dance for you. Hope you like it. Congratulations.
falling for nobody else but you. You caught my eye, and I've got a feeling I'm falling. Show me the ring and I'll jump right through. I used to. I'm flying high, but I've got a feeling I'm falling for nobody else but you.